Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your iPhone is updated. This avoids surprises. Once done, open Messages and back out to the conversation list. Make sure to tap Filters or use the search bar to reveal the recently deleted folder. On some iOS builds, it appears under Edit or More. You need to see the deleted thread thumbnails before continuing. If you can see messages there, proceed. Otherwise, update iOS or restart the phone and return to this step. Once inside Recently Deleted, tap Select at the top right to begin choosing items. You can tap each message bubble or conversation to mark it, or use Select All when you want a clean slate. After selecting, tap Delete and Confirm. This permanently removes those messages from your device and iCloud backup if Messages in iCloud is enabled. Make sure you truly want them gone. There's no undo. If Messages in iCloud is syncing, give it a minute to propagate the deletion. To finish, exit Messages and reopen to verify the recently deleted folder is empty. This confirms success. If deleted items reappear, make sure Messages in iCloud is syncing correctly. Toggle it off and on in Settings Messages to force a refresh. If that doesn't work, restart the iPhone or sign out and back into your Apple ID, then check again. Troubleshooting tip: if messages still return, check other devices signed to the same Apple ID and remove them there before repeating these steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.